Good afternoon, it's Friday the 20th of July. I'm Ben Newman and this is For Example Trading. Now, didn't do much at all today. If I look like I've had a day by the pool, that's because I have. We had a very good week. Fridays can be tricky, so I did a quick assessment this morning. I sent one signal out and I'm going to show you that signal. It actually, in the time that same you set up this video, has gone back on itself, but I'll show you. It's the Euro Canadian and I felt it was in a really prime position to just set a pretty generous stop loss on it and leave it to run for the day. There was a lot of Canadian data out today, and that really is the perfect way to trade. You know, if you pick up a trend that's at an extreme point and it really can only go one way, you just have to be generous enough with the stop loss to make sure it doesn't bounce your trade out before it dips or on a rebound. But I'll show you, I'll talk you through. So one signal, which I'll show you here. It's the only one that went out today. There it is, just there. So just one signal this morning. Just one signal this morning. As you can see, this Euro CAD short, that was sent out, or I placed this trade. You can see 9 o'clock this morning. The trade was actually entered at 8:58. So first thing this morning, and then I'll show you what happened with it. So if we open up there we go. So that is the signal that went out. I can show you what it looks, oh dear, sorry about this. I can show you what it looks like in the signal. So if I open up the signal itself, this is what went out at 9 o'clock this morning. You can see where I entered at 8:58. And this is what was shared, the signal went out. And you can see the position this Euro Canadian was in. I had a feeling that due to the fact there was a lot of Canadian data out today, there was OPEC meetings as well, which regard oil, and Canadian dollar is supported by oil very much so. So there you go, there you can see the signal, and now I'm going to show you where we are now. Okay, so that was the signal that went out, as you can see right up here, and it bounced about quite a bit, but then when that data came out at 12:30, there you go, pretty positive, certainly nothing negative for the Canadian dollar. And look where it went to. It didn't quite hit the stop loss, and in fact this trade is still active. I've literally come in and in the this is a 5-minute trend, and literally in the last couple of minutes, last 5-10 minutes, you can see it's bounced right up again. So I'm going to leave it in there. It's $240 in profit, but when it was down here, when I looked at it when I walked in here, it was somewhere like, I think it was somewhere like 400 or 500 in profit. Still, I think it will come back. I think it will move back to this level. So I'm just going to leave it in there. You can see it rebounded and reset itself. Canadian dollar very strong. So there we go. That's one trade, one signal. And potentially, well, if it does get back down here, we'll be looking at $400 or $500 in profit from one signal this morning and have the day off. You know, there's nothing better than that. Yeah, you can see where we entered it right up here. Yeah, a good signal, good trade, and just meant we didn't have to do much with it at all. Now, regarding the week, I'll just show you where we're at on the account history. So if I pull this right up here, so you can see right back to the start of the week. Where's the start of the week? There we go. So there we go. That is from the 16th to now. Where are we? Yeah, from the 16th to now. Sorry, yeah, that trade's still in. I was looking for the 20th, but of course that trade's still active, as you can see there. So there we go. That's all the trades I've placed this week, and every single one of these trades generates a signal. It does it automatically, and it goes into what I just showed you, and then I paste it into the into the signals channel. All right, and that goes out to our trading arena or the signals channel, the people that are signed up to. So that's all the results. I've gone through, I've calculated the profit for the week, and that is the profit for the week, $1,719.81. Previously to that, last week was a bit slow, but the week before that we had very good profit. So we're sitting at very nearly between $4,500 and $5,000 for the month in profit, and that's all these trades that generate the signals, and these are what you get. All right, so once you pay and you're in the trading arena and you're subscribed to the signals channel, you get these trades as I place them. All right, so this is the sort of profit that you can be seeing yourself. Okay, no more to say. Have a great weekend, whatever you're doing. We'll be back on Monday for more of the same, hopefully. We've had a really good run. Not every day is amazing, but we're managing to get by with very decent profit, as you can see. There are still a few spaces left if you do want to join us on that 3-month special offer, £249 plus VAT, and that gives you the dedicated signals channel, the exclusive trading arena, one-on-one support from myself, any live broadcasts or webinars that I do, and of course the course. There's a Forex course that I insist everyone that comes in takes as well, and that really will get you to a level that you know what you're doing with your trade. So limited spaces on that. I think we've got 33 or 34 spaces left. Free signals again on Monday, but it may be the last day of that. So if you do want to get involved, then don't waste any time, because those spaces are going very quickly indeed now for obvious reasons. All right, have a good weekend. I'll see you again on Monday.